Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Skiff knives Accomplice, and this is the version 2, and we're going to do a quick video about this, but as usual, don't forget to like the video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't subscribed already, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this pretty shiny object. It's a beautiful thing. It's a titanium frame lock. It's a custom knife. I mean, it's CNC machine, but it is a custom. It's made by Skiff, and it's simply a gorgeous one. Just stunning to look at. Great design. I am in love. He's the famous producer of the Skiff's bearings, which are ceramic ball bearings and which are improving the action of some knives, and that is great. This thing is really cool. The handles are just milled to a level that is fantastic. It's really beautiful. Look at these lines over here. This is a pivot collar, by the way, anodized titanium, as well as the matching collar on the back. And as you can see, the milling lines are just continuing on that. And this is, you can spin this, so you have to orient this guy. It's gonna move if you take this guy apart, and of course this is the version 2, so it has some improvements. You can see right over here, stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside. You get as well some pretty cool internal milling pockets to reduce the weight, and that is a fantastic addition to the new lineup from Skiff's knives, and this is really great in the hand as well. So no hot spots, feels good in the hand. Let's quickly check first the size, because this is not like properly small one. 3.5 inches for the cutting edge and 4.7 for the handle. Overall, this guy's going to be close to 8.5, 8.4 inches, so pretty good to go. Back spacer, of course, is titanium blue anodized, matching the milled pocket clip and the collars, of course. A little bit pointy flipper tab, no jimping going on there, only here on the spine of the blade, which is beautifully polished to a very nice shine. Hand rub satin for the main bevel, which is beautifully hollow, and the big swedge going on right over here. CTS XHP steel, rock and rolling. Of course, this guy is running on Skiff bearings. What do you expect? And let's quickly check the weight, because there's going to be some reduction compared to the old version, and 4.93 ounces for a, pretty big boy. It's not too bad. It's quite substantial knife, feels good in the hand. And oh, by the way, this schwack is gorgeous. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.